Ask a free car question at 2carpros.com. Hello and welcome to 2Car Pros. Today we're going to show you how to change the air filter for a Chevrolet Cavalier between the years of 1995 and 2005. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we need to do is unscrew the airbox. Next, we need to remove the air filter. Next, we need to compare the old air filter to the new one to make sure it's identical. Next, replace the old air filter with the new one. And then re-screw down the airbox. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please visit 2carpros.com.